Good morning, dear students. Now we had started action words in our last class. So let's revise a few action words. And what are action words? Doing words or verbs जिससे हमें पता चलता है कोई action हो रहा है. Stand. The girl is standing. Swim. This boy is swimming. Pull. Two boys are pulling a rope. Paint. He is painting a picture. Skate. The boy is skating. Read. A girl is reading a book. Sleep. Father is sleeping. Ride. He is riding a motorbike. Slide. The boy is sliding. Run. My brother is running. Row. The man is rowing a boat. Nav chalana. Push. He is pushing the box. Pour. The boy is pouring water in the plant. Play. My friends are playing. Yawn. She is yawning. Okay, now in this exercise, beta, we have to fill the correct doing verb in the blanks. Okay, there is a box. Box nazar aa raha hai sabko, and there are some action words in that. We will fill the correct one in the blanks. First sentence, I love to dash ice cream. Now what do we do to the ice cream? Eat. I love to eat ice cream. The teacher dash in the school. Teacher school में क्या करती है? Teaches. The teacher teaches in the school. Do not dash fast. Do not run fast. Dash politely with your teachers. Talk politely. बात करने के लिए polite हम यूज करते हैं ना. We should be polite. Talk politely with your teachers. अपने टीचर्स के साथ प्यार से बात करो. Please dash the bell. Please ring the bell. Bell बजाते हैं ना, तो उसको इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं ring the bell. We should dash proper uniform. What do we do to the uniform? We wear the uniform, right? We should wear proper uniform. Dash your hands before every meal. Wash your hands before every meal. ये आपको पता है. I dash near a mango tree. I live near a mango tree. मैं एक mango tree के पास रहता हूँ. The teacher asked students to dash slowly. टीचर ने स्टूडेंट्स को क्या बोला कि क्या स्लोली करना है? To walk slowly, है ना, तेज चलने के लिए मना करते हैं. To walk slowly. My mother dash delicious food. My mother cooks delicious food. Food को खाने को बनाते हैं, right? Now in beta sentence number 9, हमने लिखा है the teacher asked the students to walk slowly. In sentence number 3, do not run fast, है ना. तो अगर हम चाहें तो इन दोनों को इंटरचेंज भी कर सकते हैं. We can write do not walk fast and the teacher asked students to run slowly. तो दोनों तरह से आप कर सकते हैं. Now in this exercise, beta, we have to circle the correct word within the brackets. As you can see, in brackets we have been given two options again and we have to circle the correct word. So first one, the fruit salad reads or tastes good. सोचिए, फ्रूट सैलेड आपको आप रीड करते हो या टेस्ट करते हो? You taste, right? So fruit salad tastes good. We'll circle tastes. The rabbit lives or changes in a burrow. Lives. He lives. Change तो नहीं होगा ना burrow में. Burrow क्या होता है? Rabbit का home. Just like a lion lives in a den, similarly a rabbit lives in a burrow. Trains fly or stop at the railway station. Stop. Trains never fly. Have you seen any train flying? Nahi na? My father walks or speaks German. Now German is a language like Hindi, English, Punjabi, right? German is also a language. तो language को हम walk करते हैं या speak करते हैं? Speak. My father speaks German. The prince fights or finds a glass slipper. You all must have heard the story of Cinderella, yes? सिंड्रेला की स्टोरी सुनी है ना सबने? तो प्रिंस को ग्लास स्लीपर मिलती है या वो उससे फाइट करता है? स्लीपर से nobody will fight, right? So the prince finds a glass slipper. उसको मिलती है, finds. Her cousin does or lives in Lucknow. Lives, just like we live in Karnal. Similarly, her cousin lives in Lucknow. I am going or clapping to Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad again is a city. So I am going to Ahmedabad. It's a place. तो हम place को clap तो नहीं कर सकते, right? You should dress or fight properly. You should dress properly. आपको अच्छे से dress होना चाहिए. But if we consider you should fight properly, तो वो fight properly भी ठीक होगा बेटा. In case हम ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे, आपको नहीं बोल रहे हैं कि आप लड़ो किसी से, but in case अगर हम wrestlers की बात करें या boxers की बात करें जो fights करते हैं, professional fights, तो उनको हम बोल देते हैं ना, you should fight properly. But generally हम ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे किसी को कि you should fight properly, so that's why we are circling you should dress properly. Now please do not disturb or silence me. Please do not disturb me. ये तो आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा, लोगों कहते हैं कि please do not disturb me. Phone is ringing. Phone rings. Phone dance तो नहीं करता है कभी? Have you seen a phone dancing? No? So phone is ringing. Now in this exercise, beta, we have to match the words with the correct picture. So let's read the first word, dance. Can you find someone dancing? The second picture पे देखिए boy dance कर रहा है. So let's match dance. आज number matching नहीं कर रहे हैं because there are no numbers given in front of the words. That's why. तो हम line से ही match कर लेंगे. Read. First boy is reading. Let's match. Play. The last boy is playing a football. Playing with the football. So let's match. And the next one, stand. The boy is standing. Let's match. Now here is Mithu the parrot. ठीक है, इस parrot का name है Mithu. We have to write 3 things that Mithu can do. अब सोचिए एक parrot क्या क्या कर सकता है? हो सकता है आपके घर में मिठू हो. Maybe some of you are having parrot as a pet. So क्या क्या कर सकता है parrot? Let's write. मिठू can fly. मिठू उड़ सकता है. मिठू can fly. What else? मिठू can talk. आपको मालूम है ना, parrot को बोलना आता है, वो हमारी तरह बात कर सकता है. They can learn to talk. So मिठू can talk. What else? मिठू कैन whistle. मिठू को सीटी बजानी भी आती है. कैन यू whistle? आप में से कितने बच्चों को सीटी बजानी आती है? नहीं आती ना? प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. ओके, मिठू कैन whistle. So that's all for today, beta. Now learn, practice, revise. Okay, these all are also action words, huh? और अभी हम जो बाय कर रहे हैं, बाय, saying bye or waving your hand, that is also action. So take care. Bye bye.